I'm Saanvi and I go to Leland High School. And for my third milestone, my modification is now my ultrasonic sensors work and they can measure the distance of an object in front of it. So it's basically obstacle detection. And right now, my ultrasonic sensors, I'm using three of them. So they show the center, right, and left on my glasses. I haven't put them on yet. And the direction of my ultrasonic sensors aren't organized yet. So this one's center, this one's left, and then this one's right. And then when I run the code, basically what will happen is it will say the center, left, and right, the amount of centimeters it is away from the object. And then whichever direction it's closest to, it'll say it out loud. So right now I have it in my earbuds. So I'll try to make it so you guys can hear, but in the future, I'll add a speaker. So you should be able to hear the direction and then you can okay. And then some challenges that I faced when creating this was, first of all, my sensor was faulty, so I had to like debug and I found out that it was faulty, so I had to switch out the sensor. And then during the end, my right sensor stopped working, and that was not because of the sensor itself, but because my wiring was wrong. So I ended up putting like, oh wait, no, that's not why. It's because one of my pins was fried, so I had to move it to a different pin. So originally it was at pin 26, but then I had to move it to 6 because pin 26 was fried. And for my future modification, I'm planning on having um, a voice mode where basically the user could say like, oh, I want to use obstacle detection or I want to use object detection. So then the code will go to that specific one, just so it helps, and it basically just uses feedback to run the code.